Over 1,000 miles of America's borders are at risk. The seen and unseen. Threats don't wait. They adapt. They exploit. They get smarter. Our fully autonomous systems deliver real-time AI-driven detection, identification, classification, and tracking to stay ahead of the threat, and fully integrate with customs and border protection AI platforms. This isn't our first rodeo. Elbit America has the power to produce. For over a decade, we've been protecting America's borders. We know what it takes. Hundreds of field-proven systems, rapidly produced to outpace the threat. Ready now. Real. Rapid. Ready.